Okay, go ahead.
I am talking here today, September 29, with our almost 3:30 Alex Makarov. It could be Makarov, but Makarov. And he is the video photographer hired by Space Turner and the Philippines Lighthouse for my book, Immigrant and Peace, second edition. Thank you very much, Alex. And he saw me when I was groggy and sleepy. But now today is my best day because my dreams are there. And finally, I hope to get a better contract.
Okay, so August 29.
You know, that's thank you so much.
2024, September 29. Thank you for being in your city with Ricky and Alex for the Ricky's Immigrant at Facebook at the billboard at Times Square, New York City. Thank you. Bye.